Hello everyone and welcome to Rudy's Retro Intel. On today's video I just want to show an update to the Nabu Diagnostics manual. As you can see now there's a front page, looks a bit more professional, and we've added some more wording in here, not a lot of change in there. But here I've enhanced the keyboard failure section, so let's look at that. Here on the keyboard section we have obviously the connection. If the connection is not made, you need to plug the cable in, but I've also added another section here for where the keyboard is connected properly. However, the alert LED is on and need to replace U4, which the D825-1AC and U874LS32 within the Nabu. Now this is the actual picture. Let me see if I can make this bigger for you. This is the actual picture of the logic board within the keyboard. We have the microcontroller here, the Nabu ROM, the A to D converter, some TTL logic chips. Here we have the 555 timer and the 7805 voltage regulator. So I put a little diagram here with all that layout and exactly what is where. Now I scroll down to another section, that's the older section. You'll see a slight change here. Now this is true for all the sections. So we have the type of failure, this is sound failure, here's a picture. There's the symptoms, and the diagnosis is just now the location and the IC number. Same thing for all the other diagnostics area. Again, it's just diagnostics is the replacement of the ICs and their location. Now the reason we've done that is we've put all the images for all the chips, all the pin layouts towards the end of the document. That way we're not duplicating the images on each page. And so here we have everything in one section. We have the video processor, the ZED processor here, you know, again with all the pinouts showing what is where, the 9370, the 9637AC, the TR1863B layout, and so on. So it's all here. There's also locations where you can get parts if you want, and this is just a sample where I found them. I'm sure there are other vendors that sell these parts, but I wanted to ensure that we have all the major ICs listed here, so when you're doing your probing with your scope, you'd know exactly where to go. So for example, here's the DRAM, the HM4864P. Here is the actual chip itself with the pinouts and the description of each pin and what it does. And here is 74LS241. You can also look for additional pinouts for this or other ICs here at the futurelec.com, integrated circuits, and you'll find more there. And finally, I've included the timer, pinouts for the timer, and the 7805 voltage regulator. So the update for the Nabu Diagnostics board is that I've changed the resistor values here for the data lines. In the current version that I've been using 390 ohms for all the resistors, but I found that these ones are very bright with that value, which is fine, but the data lines were very dim, so I've reduced the values from all these resistors to 270 ohms. That allows us to have brighter LEDs, which it makes it more, I guess, user-friendly. The other ones I've left it on my board. You can change them if you like. I know they're a little bit bright, but that's fine. You can find the Gerber files for this board on my GitHub. I will leave a link below. And for the Diagnostics manual. You can also find the Diagnostics manual at nabunetwork.com. If you have any comments, let me know. I would love to hear what you guys think about the manual and the board. If you think of any changes or additions I should be adding, please let me know. Thank you for all my new subscribers and current subscribers, and thank you for viewers like you for watching my video. Have a great day and take care. Now it's time to play some Time Pilot. Let's see how I do it. I don't know. Well, I can fix Nabus, I just can't play on them.